Gym workout for weight loss. Welcome to my channel. When it comes to weight loss, a combination of cardiovascular exercise and strength training is generally recommended. Here are some gym exercises that are great for weight loss. Running on the treadmill is an effective way to burn calories and lose weight. It can also be a great way to improve cardiovascular health. Cycling is another great cardiovascular exercise that can help you lose weight. It is also low impact, making it a good choice for people who may have joint issues. Rowing is a full body workout that can burn a lot of calories. It can also be a low impact option for people who may have joint issues. Building muscle through strength training can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. Incorporating exercises like squats, lunges, and bench presses can help you build muscle and burn fat. High intensity interval training, HIIT, heat workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. This type of workout can be very effective for weight loss and can also help improve cardiovascular health. Remember, weight loss is a combination of exercise and healthy eating habits. So, make sure to also focus on maintaining a healthy and balanced diet to see the best results. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.